Here I show you how to replace the sharpening surface the best way. You push down on the sharpening surface and you pull it out. Then you unpack the new one, like so. And you will now see that inside those rails there is a groove which is holding down the sharpening surface. So what you need to do is you need to take these two fingers and place it here, wiggle it down into the groove like so, and then push it forward. And that's how you install the sharpening surface properly. This is what not to do. If you pull it out, you don't push it in here. You might break it or bend it, and you don't want to have a bent sharpening surface. It is best to hold it in the front and just push it in like this.